go ahead and start getting ready. Look, I know where the dubs are gonna come from for sure.
Eric, I got them. I got them. I got them. I got them, bro. I got them, bro. I got them. Hold up. Why did they charge me? Oh, cause it's taxing. 243.56. I got them. Let's go.
First of all, damn.
243.36. Yo.
If ain't nothing nice to say, then take it to the grave. I know it cannot date, but you shutting down the place and do it every day. And do not really play.
All right, everybody, what's good? Everybody on YouTube, look, I need to hurry up because as you can see in this bottom right corner, we got 10 minutes before this shoe drops. I'm a little late starting this up, but I'm gonna give y'all the breakdown about what I basically do in order to help me cop these shoes. I don't know if it's gonna be a L or W today, but we can only cross our fingers and pray. Look, I go to Finish Line, JD Sports. That's the only two sites I'm gonna mess with. You can mess with East Bay, Foot Locker, Kids Foot Locker if you want to, but it's gonna sell out quick or you're gonna waste your time with Kids Foot Locker and Foot Locker because their site's horrible. And so back to Finish Line, JD Sports. So here's the setup. You feel me? They got the links for all the shoes, right? So as you can see, it's the Lightning 4's, you know, yellow, gray, white, cool. So Finish Line right now, it's gonna say product not available, but I keep my Soul Links notifications on Twitter right here, so they'll let me know whenever the queue's live. And then once that hits, I basically come here. I got an extension on my computer that's called Session Box. I use it, and then you'll come here, add new temporary session, and then this basically spoofs your IP address, and then it makes you look like a whole different person. So I do this like 7 times, 8 times. I got my laptop here, so I'm gonna do it on that too. I got Sneakers app on 3 different phones, and then yeah, that's all for the introduction. So let's go ahead and get set up because I don't got that much time. So I'm gonna see y'all closer to drop time. So let's get it. Look, bro, I'm low-key salty. I ain't hit in store, so I'm still salty.
Damn, you didn't hit? They didn't call you?
No. I went to 3 different stores, put in raffles for me and Naveen, and I did not get a single call. But I feel like it's because they didn't get stock. I feel like there was an 11 and a half. I feel like if I would have put a 12, I would have at least got one.
Facts.
But
11 and a half is definitely a really.
But you know, but I'm like, I doubled up on the University Blues, which was pretty limited. I got 4 pairs of Oreo 4's that I got calls for. So I'm thinking, okay, you know, but it's them late shipments, bro. That's gonna be killer, dog. Cause it's literally just gonna help back doors. Cause if it's not there on time, then they just gonna backdoor them whenever they get them. It's sick.
Keys up on Finish Line, B.
Get it? All right, let's get it. What you messing with, JD Sports or Finish Line today?
Both.
I'm gonna keep that, and then I'm gonna do.
I'm a little scared, bro. I'm a little scared because I was feeling good about this drop. Because if you would have saw,
the JD Sports and Finish Line link don't say men's or grade school. Is it just men's? I'm confused.
No, they have them both. I'm on the mobile link. I mean, I'm in, both. But damn, I don't know how I feel about this, bro.
I don't know either, bro.
I do not know how I feel about this, bro.
Cause I'm like, bro, I don't like relying online. If I can get it in store, I will get it in store. And then I didn't get it in store, so I'm like, bro, I knew I wasn't gonna get grade school in store because literally there's nothing but women that work in Foot Lockers and Foot Actions, bro. Like, let's be real. Like
big time.
They gonna take up all the size 7s. So if anybody out there watching this, bro, if you try to do in-store raffles for a 7Y, good luck. 6, all right.
All right, let's go ahead and do
sneakers out.
That's the fuck to start off, bro. I don't think I'm gonna hit this on. Oh, I know they're about to smack around. I should have ran whatchamacallit.
Yeah, you got to put 2-day shipping on there so they can filter you out they don't filter you out as a bot.
I didn't do it, but if you use Apple Pay, you're good. You're
yeah, it's basically the same thing, but I try to double it up.
Yeah, because somebody was just like, oh, if you
if y'all ever try to enter on sneakers and it gives you the infinite loading, just close your app out and then try again.
Most definitely, if you're on your iPhone, always use Apple Pay, without a doubt.
Oh, let me turn off my Wi-Fi on my phone. I'm tripping.
5 minutes later.
Sold out on what?
It better not say no. It better not say no whatchamacallit.
Wow.
They better not say finish.
Yes.
Mine.
Yes.
JD.
They just did. That was in
Guess
6
what?
minutes.
Guess what? Guess what just happened?
What?
My screen literally just dropped and I now have access to it.
Well,
It didn't even. That's let me tell you why. It didn't drop on mobile. Some checkouts.
it's another one of them. All right.
It's one of them drops, bro.
It's one of them. Well, sneakers. If you didn't get on sneakers app, or if you ain't have a buy, you didn't get these. Or if you ain't get it on store, that's it.
That's it. Yeah, that's about it, fam. People are still. Why are people? I'm gonna see if I can make this. How did they sell? I just don't know. They must have had like. I don't know, bro. I couldn't tell you.
I don't know. I feel like they'd be waiting to, bro. These drops used to be like 30 minutes.
I promise, bro. Now they're literally like.
I don't know what's going on now.
Didn't even last 10 minutes.
I think it's like a finish line bot out there that's eating.
Oh, there's one where they have like they actually run mobile. There have been like very few checkouts.
Well, yep. So we just gotta wait. We gotta wait for the final verdict, which is sneakers app.
Hey, chill. Hey, bro.
The final verdict.
The final verdict.
Yep.
Hey, yo, you guys to relax, man. You guys to just, man, say we're just waiting 2 more minutes until the last determinant.
Yep.
After that, man.
The last common denominator.
That's all we have left. We're just gonna hope for some charges, man.
Right.
1 minute.
You just gotta hope for Apple Pay to pop up on your screen, bro. And the crazy thing is, bro, they pushed this back.
I know, and they still don't know what.
I feel like if they pushing it back, they need to push it back 2 months. Cause I need every store to have all they stock. I need everybody to have everything before we drop shoes, bro. Cause it don't make no sense. Cause if you don't
nobody know what they're doing, man.
Right. Oh, it's 10 minutes.
Task is flashy.
They haven't let me get a men's pair in a while. They've been letting me get nothing but grade school. Let today be the day.
15 minutes later.
Yeah, fuck it. I'm about to just go ahead and start getting ready. Look, I know where the dubs are gonna come from for sure.
Eric, I got them, bro. I got them, Hold up, why did they charge me? Oh, cause of taxing. $243.56. I got him. Let's go.
First of all, damn.
$243.36. Yo, give me the got him screen. Nah, they didn't give me the got him screen. They didn't give me the got him screen. I'm about to steal somebody's. But let's go.
Hey, chill, bro. Chill.
Oh, it just gave it to me. Just gave it to me. Let's go. They gave me the got him screen. It's over. Ooh-wee. What? Ooh-wee.
But hey, what'd you say it was? The last
Hey, this the last verdict right there.
Hey, the last verdict.
That's the last verdict. Hey, we got that bad boy.
You my friend, you are guilty of owning the Lightning Force.
I have Lightning Force and Pollins. Bruh, that charge though, 243.56. Ooh,
That's beefy, bro. For retail, that's beefy.
For retail, oof. Oh my god,
prices.
Bro, what? You would have thought I bought some Yeezys today. Well, yeah, they retail at $220. Yeah, so it's basically the same price.
Yeah.
Bruh. Let me make sure. All right, y'all. Well, when I tell y'all, last night I was stressing because look, this was the setup. I had the perfect setup. They did in-store raffles on Tuesday for JD Sports and Finish Lines in my local area, right? I went to every single JD Sport. I went to like 3. I put in for every store. I put in for 2 11.5s and I put in for 2 7Ys. I didn't get no calls at all from any of those stores. So I'm like, all right, well, I gotta basically hit online. Finish Line and JD Sports sells out in 6 minutes. So it was literally just up to sneakers app, like I said, and they came through. They done blessed your boy. I hit on these today, and what was it, like 2 days ago? I hit on the Shatter Backboard lows, but it was the grade school size. I'm like, okay. My account's getting low key blessed. But I mean, the methods that I use, it works, but you know, it's still hit or miss. Like, yeah, like I said, this was the only way to get them. Y'all see the screen? I'm thankful. I'm thankful. Look, that's why, you feel me? You know, some stuff I'll be like, all right, you know, I kind of want. But hey, look, I don't know. Let me know in the comment section if you were able to get these, if you had a hard time as well. Y'all just saw it. Y'all just saw what I just went through online. So I'm literally like, hey, I had to leave it. I had to just leave it in the sneakers app. I had to leave it up to them. But what I wanted to do, like a pickup vlog today for y'all. Didn't get a single call. I didn't get not one call, y'all. I promise you. It's crazy. Because literally, the reason why I was upset is because I literally hit, when we did in-store raffles for the last pair of 4's, which was the Oreos, we got 4 calls. We could only pick up 3 because my coworker had to get it for me because we was gonna be out of town. But literally, I got 4 pairs of men. So I'm thinking, okay, I'm good. I didn't get a single call, not from not one single mall. So I am thankful for this W, for real. But so y'all stay tuned and go ahead and hit the like button on this video, and then I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here. We got a lot of stuff we got to get done today. So yeah, I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. Appreciate y'all for watching. Peace. Alright, y'all, so we back at the crib. I ended up pulling the Yeezys out because I didn't look at them, but yeah, these are actually decent. I wanted to basically update you guys on what I seen at the mall. So look, like I said earlier when we was live copping these shoes, I was saying that I was discouraged because I had put in so many raffles. I mean, 3 different stores I put in raffles for. And then I was like, all right, they never called me. I'm thinking they already got all their pairs. They didn't. So they may still call me. I know I hit on sneakers, but I was trying to get, because I know there's a few people that hit me up that wanted me to help them get a pair. I had no issue doing that, but at the same time, I kind of need mine too, player. So I had to go for my size on sneakers. I could have went for somebody else's size, kind of help somebody out. But I already put in the in-store raffle for my size, so if they call me next week, it's gonna be in my size. So, or the 7Y for Naveen's size. So we gonna see. But before we end the video off, I know I said I was ending it earlier, but before we end it off now, I'm gonna just show the Yeezys off. So, because it was a pretty easy cop. By the time this video's up, it may not be available, but if you wanted these, you could have got your hands on them. So we gonna see. It depends on whatever size you were. When I went in there, I asked him, I was like, hey, what's the biggest size you got in the Yeezys? He said 16. I said, oh, I only need a 12. So we got these here. I'm gonna take a look at them, and then I'm gonna close the video out. Still feels good to know that I still got a chance, you know what I'm saying? Because, boy, I was stressing. I was like, bro, I wanted the polish and the lightest. I wanted to compare them both, you feel what I'm saying? But sneakers that came through. Hopefully I can get some more pairs in store. But as that's pretty much it. So like I said, we're gonna dive into these. I'm gonna show the big hype, or the big, the nice little feature about them real quick on camera so you can kind of visually tell. And then yeah, we're gonna wrap up this video. So let's go ahead and see what these shoes look like and up close and personal. So let's get it. All right, y'all, so this is the box, normal 350 Yeezy box. Every time I get my 350 boxes from JD, they always beat it up, as you can see. But they had a size 12 sitting there, light, all that good stuff. Set this to the side, and these are the Yeezys. So they kind of look like a off-white, like a tannish gray with like a like a yellow off-white in there. Same way on the insoles. And like on the tag, it has like color change due to UV reactive knit. So that's that there. You know, it's honestly not a bad colorway. I don't know if this is the type of shoe that you want to resell with, but you know, this is pretty much the shoe. You know, nothing too crazy. So, but I'm gonna definitely show y'all the reactive knit real quick. I'm gonna have y'all walk with me. I'm gonna take the phone off this mount. Let's go. As you can see here, when you inside, you nice in the AC, don't look like nothing. But as soon as you come outside, it starts turning a little bit of yellow. As you can see, it starts changing a little bit right there. So that's pretty much it. But yeah, as you can see, I don't know how quick it changes back. But yeah, this is it. When that sun hits it, it starts turning like an orange. So let me know how y'all feel about the colorway. On the inside, it kind of has like a light pink tint to it. Looking kind of cool. So y'all let me know how y'all feel about it. Let me see how quick it changes back. Get back inside. Okay, it goes back a little bit quicker. It's not too bad, but yeah, that's it. But all right, y'all, that's the end of the video. Appreciate y'all watching all the way through, even through the W's, through the L's, through everything. So I appreciate that. And I'm definitely gonna catch you in the next video. Hopefully you subscribe and put that notification bell on. And then yeah, we're going up. So let's see. I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. So peace out, y'all.